Happy Monday. I am back. I'm finally unboxing my fall FabFitFun box. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is a good one. I'm excited to dig into this. I'm also loving the pattern on the box. All these fall leaves. How fun is that? I'm definitely pushing fall here. So I am a FabFitFun partner, which means that FabFitFun did send me this box for free to review, and if you use the code GIRLGEEKS, you're going to get $10 off of your first box. These are subscription boxes, so you get one in the fall, the winter, the spring, and the summer, and they contain like beauty, lifestyle, all kinds of really good stuff for your home. So I'm excited to dig in. I actually got to customize practically this entire box, which is neat. So you get to, the value on this is amazing. So I'm going to dig in. First of all, check it out. I got a hat. Oh my goodness, you guys. I love it when we get clothing in the FabFitFun boxes. This is a hat from, what is it? It's from Hocus Pocus, and it's one size fits all. But check it out. This is a nice hat. I actually like this. I like the little checkerboard on there, and I like hats with a brim because usually when I go down to the beach, I always wear a hat. So that was really cool. It's kind of flannel too. I like the texture on it. Next up, I got the two bandits. Check this out. Little box here. Let me dig into this one here. I got check this out. This is it's hard to see with my lights here. But it's like a little tray here to store like jewelry and stuff. So for instance, you could put like little hand creams and stuff in there. Super cute. This would actually be really nice in the bathroom. So I did get that, and then it actually it closes up, and it's got like is this a wood? No, it's like a wood grain plastic handle. So I got that. Get rid of that. I got, what is this? Oh, I'm gonna do this next because it's a fall product. I got the Pure Lease Pumpkin and Ginger Detoxifying Charcoal Mask. I cannot wait to try this. I always seek out different like fall beauty care. So this one's exciting for me because I like pumpkin and ginger. So that was a really neat product there. I also got the Caviar Anti-Aging Replenishing Moisture CC Cream. This is a 10-in-1 complete correction leave-in for hair. So I will try that out. And then I also got the Islands of Italy Bath Gel Peach Champagne Fragrance. Let me smell this. Oh, that smells good. Got a nice light peachy scent, little champagne going on there, so that was super cute. So I got one of those, and then okay, I gotta pull this stuff out. This is the really fun stuff in the bottom here. Okay, let me get rid of my box here. It's a big box to toss. So next up, I did get. Oh my gosh, this is kind of cute, you guys. I got the It's a lunch pack. Look at this. This is adorable. It's actually a lunch bag. Look at this. And then somehow it folds over, but this is a really neat reusable lunch bag. This is from Hip Lunch Pack, and it's ideal for storing meals on the go, coffee, snacks. So I thought that was kind of cute. So I did get one of those, and then check it out. I got the Acacia wood chessboard. Oh my gosh, this is like one of those boards that you can put like a cheese platter on for the holidays. Why can't I open this though? I should have brought scissors over. This is sealed really good, you guys. Let me pull this out. I actually picked these products because I thought they looked really neat. So let me pull this out. Oh my gosh, this is neat. Look at this. Oh my gosh, this is nice. This is a really nice, heavy wooden board. What does it say? Uncommon James. That must be the company. So check this out. Always nice to have. I will definitely utilize that. So I'm excited about the board. And then I got from Phantom Chef, check it out, I got an 8-inch fry pan. How fun is that? I love it when they do, home goods. So let me Let me pull this out here. Check it out. Look at this. How cute is this? Perfect for like one egg or a grilled cheese sandwich. But I like the blue. The blue is pretty. Come in different colors. I don't know if everyone from FabFitFun got the blue, but it looks like they come in different colors. It's nonstick, PFOA free, and PTFE free. But it looks like a neat little pan here. It is dishwasher suitable, works for all cooktops, which is good because I have a flat top cooktop. Good stuff this time from FabFitFun. I'm excited about the fall box. I'm liking the box with the leaves on it. I'm loving my pumpkin and ginger charcoal face mask. And I'm loving my board and my hat. Lots of good stuff. This box seemed to have a lot of stuff in it. So anyway, again, I am a FabFitFun partner. They send me the box for free each quarter to review. If you would like to try it out, code GIRLGEEKS, $10 off your first box. So anyway, thank you so much for hanging out with me and letting me show all the FabFitFun stuff. I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.